Catch, catch. Example, did you catch any fish? Did you catch any fish? You will catch a cold. You'll catch a cold. Follow, follow. Example, are you following me? Are you following me? I'm being followed. I'm being followed. Grab, grab. Example, I grabbed my bag and ran off. I grabbed my bag and ran off. Let's go grab a beer or something. Let's go grab a beer or something. Graduate, graduate. Example, Kate graduated from medical school last year. Kate graduated from medical school last year. She graduated in physics from Cambridge University. She graduated in physics from Cambridge University. Hang up, hang up. Example, I said goodbye and hang up. I said goodbye and hang up. Don't hang up on me. Don't hang up on me. Hospitalize, hospitalize. Example, Sarah was hospitalized after a severe asthma attack. Sarah was hospitalized after a severe asthma attack. The doctor wants to hospitalize her for a few days so that she can run some tests. The doctor wants to hospitalize her for a few days so that she can run some tests. Hug, hug. Example, give me a hug. Give me a hug. She went to her daughter and hugged her tightly. She went to her daughter and hugged her tightly. Insert, insert. Example, please insert your credit card and enter your PIN. Please insert your credit card and enter your PIN. He inserted a sheet of paper into the printer. He inserted a sheet of paper into the printer. Kneel down, kneel down. Example, Jane knelt down and patted the dog. Jane knelt down and patted the dog. He told them to kneel, then began to say a prayer. He told them to kneel, then began to say a prayer. Laugh, laugh. Example, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Tony laughed so much that he nearly cried. Tony laughed so much that he nearly cried. Lean, lean. Example, don't lean on the wall. Don't lean on the wall. He leaned back in his chair. He leaned back in his chair. Leave, leave. Example, be ready to leave in half an hour. Be ready to leave in half an hour. I am leaving for London tomorrow. I am leaving for London tomorrow. Listen, listen. Example, I like listening to the radio. I like listening to the radio. We sat around listening to music. We sat around listening to music. Look up, look up. Example, I could look it up if you like. I could look it up if you like. I'll look up your file. I'll look up your file. Not, not. Example, I asked her if she was okay and she nodded. I asked her if she was okay and she nodded. She nodded to us as she walked by. She nodded to us as she walked by. Park, park. Example, I couldn't find anywhere to park. I couldn't find anywhere to park. She parked the car on the drive. She parked the car on the drive. Paste, paste. Example, data can be pasted word processing documents. Data can be pasted into word processing documents. A notice had been pasted to the door. A notice had been pasted to the door. Pinch, pinch. Example, we have to stop her pinching her little brother. We have to stop her pinching her little brother. He pinched her cheek. He pinched her cheek. Plant, plant. Example, when should I plant the seeds? When should I plant the seeds? I have never planted trees before. I have never planted trees before. Play, play. Example, let's play fair. Let's play fair. How come you are playing without me? How come you are playing without me? Push, push. Example, he used his thumb to push the button. He used his thumb to push the button. I got in and pushed the button for the fourth floor. I got in and pushed the button for the fourth floor. Read, read. Example, when I was young, I read every one of his books from cover to cover. When I was young, I read every one of his books from cover to cover. I can't read your writing. I can't read your writing. Recover, recover. Example, she is recovering well. She is recovering well. He couldn't recover from the shock. He couldn't recover from the shock. Refill, refill. Example, can I refill anyone's glass? Can I refill anyone's glass? The waiters refilled our coffee cups. The waiters refilled our coffee cups. Renew, renew. Example, I need to renew my passport this year. I need to renew my passport this year. The window frames need to be renewed. The window frames need to be renewed. Repair, repair. Example, I am sure we can have this repaired. I am sure we can have this repaired. I want to learn how to repair shoes. I want to learn how to repair shoes. Restore, restore. Example, how long did it take you to restore it? How long did it take you to restore it? The paintings were restored to their original beauty. The paintings were restored to their original beauty. Ride, ride. Example, she learned to ride when she was 7. She learned to ride when she was 7. She had never learned to ride a bicycle. She had never learned to ride a bicycle. Send, send. Example, I sent you a letter. I sent you a letter. I will send a copy to you. I will send a copy to you. Share, share. Example, we don't have enough books, so you will have to share. We don't have enough books, so you will have to share. You will have to share your toys with your little brother. You will have to share your toys with your little brother.